Why are you looking around like it's beer?
You like, no, it was right here. I was like, no.
What's going on, Kiko family? How we doing? How we living? We got D next to me. No more red wrap on the M4. It is back to white paint. As you guys can tell by the rollers, a couple people showed up today to the South OC Cars and Coffee. And yeah, got a bunch of Corvettes in front of us right now. Yeah, let's get it, Kiko family. Another day, another vlog. Oh yeah. Odyssey. Oh, look at that thing. Where'd you go? Camaro coming in right now. Nice. Gosh, that blue is gorgeous. That is nice. RPF 1s, carbon front fender and carbon hood with a gap cam. Oh yeah. And we got all the homies that rolled with us today.
Hey, bro, where did I get my car towed?
Towed to what?
Remember when I got my shit took?
To us.
Huh?
Where'd you get it towed? Oh, we got it took?
Yeah. Where was it?
Did he get impounded?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got the day at Lake Elsinore, right?
There you go, Lake Elsinore.
There you
go.
That's what it was.
Bro, I'm even tripping, bro. He was like, no, it was right here, bro.
No,
I was like, no.
You're so smart, bro.
I knew Mark would know, bro. That's how like, bro, I gotta ask Mark. I mean, it was gonna cost me a lot more.
Oh my gosh. That is a build right there. Oh, 240. Dang, Yakuza. Wow, that is sick. Here comes the big boys. Chopped front bumper with a crash bar. Sheesh. Oh, a Stereon. Bro, I haven't seen a Stereon in so long. Hey, all we gotta do is just stand right here, dog, and we'll see all the cars. Yeah. Oh, is that a R32?
Yeah, that's an R32 GTR. car, baby.
Sheesh.
R32.
Industries
Productions.
I wanted one of these bad, bro. Check out the color on this GTS. Oh my god. Oh wait. It's a wrap? Oh, it is a wrap.
Color PPF. That's why
Color PPF. It looks so good.
It's a lot better than the regular vinyl nowadays. So.
This color on this car is,
Oh yeah,
is
I liked it. That was kind of my pick with the tan interior to kind of go all together.
this is crazy with the chrome too,
Yeah,
or the
yeah,
brush.
Kind of, yeah, that
Should I
was
say
kinda my-
brush?
Yeah, with brush wheels with a little bit of chrome, and I kind of tried to keep the door handles chrome, the grill, the emblems, but still kind of everything tied together. So
This is sick. I like this a lot, man.
appreciate it.
What was your name?
Chris.
Chris. Mark.
Nice
Pleasure
to meet
meeting
you,
you.
Mark, buddy.
Look at that Tundra. Whoa.
He gives me like 10 of those.
G82. That's clean. Oh, you're good. You're good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Bro, these things case swapped are like the best thing ever. They do case swaps on these things.
Ooh, this one's getting gapped. Ooh, this guy's gapping me. That's what's fine. Oh, yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, it's the homie. What the heck? How you been, bro?
Good, chilling. I'm just cruising.
Just cruising today?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this would be a dope ass daily. Fucking 30K, beat the shit out of it.
No Grill M5.
All here.
What's up, man?
That's
Wildberry.
a sick logo.
That's my logo.
Oh, we got a SDC decal on it. Heck yeah.
You gotta lock
Here
this
we
guy
go.
up.
I know, bro.
Oh my, you're not gonna fucking shotgun a fucking.
Tell him to start it. Tell him to start
Oh.
Hold on. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go yo.
It's been a while.
It has not been a while.
Yeah,
Was it last week?
No, legit. Last week that he did the last one, or maybe even yesterday. Why are you looking around like it's beer?
Oh, you spilled, bro.
I did.
Yeah, he has to do another one, huh?
Give me another one.
Yeah, he has
I
to.
got
Do, he has to do another one. He needs to do another one.
I got another one for you.
You're next. No.
I'm gonna be sipping, bro.
Skinny's World. The teal wheels. Sub to his channel. What in the world is CZinger? This thing's basically just a go-kart. Is it just chassis? Oh, it is just chassis. I thought it was in the front. Oh, no, yeah. Oh, it's that right. Oh, no. What the heck is that?
This is varios that one.
Ah, got it. Bro, getting in and out must be so sketchy.
I'm like, sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
I do apologize.
He said, I do.
I sincerely apologize.
Okay, sir. That was really my fault. That was really my fault. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
All right, now I know my place, bro. Don't worry about it, sir. Don't worry.
Yeah. Let me pay for those J's. Let me pay for those J's.
Oh, here's a tip.
This thing is wild. So, got the seat up front, seat in the back. Barely any, I'm assuming legs go in between the seats or on the outside of the seats. Full carbon everywhere. But like getting in and out, look, this is where my foot is right now. That's where the seat is. Bro, this thing is wild. So I guess this is how it looks.
Wide body?
There's nobody. This is somebody.
It's called a CZinger.
Look how wide that is. 325s. How the car in the front look. This is wild, bro. And then there's a Ford GT just coming through. Sheesh. The Green Goblin. That thing's clean. It is Porsche Central today. A lot of Porsches. Oh, this is Spider RS. This is actually the Porsche I would get.
Spider?
Mm-hmm. A Lotus Emira. Another Huracan R8. GT4 RS. Dang, that is a nice purple wrap on that McLaren. Very nice. Another R8. Another R8. Ooh, a Aventador. Another R8. Oh, sorry. This actually looks kind of familiar. Looks like Jim's. 720S. Ooh, two yellow Ferraris at the very end over here. Very nice. Maserati. Will you look at that? And guess what? It's for sale. It is for sale. Never mind. Shops. I was mistaken. There are Maseratis here at South OC Cars and Coffee. This Lotus though, oh my gosh. I really, really want one of these right here. Like this is the, like, oh my gosh, interior is perfect. Can't even see it, but that wing, oh. This is it right here. Next Siege. I like it. And then you got the Agora next to it. Got the Siege. Oh my gosh. And they got quick release. Oh, there's a roll cage in there too.
Porsche crew roller.
The lights are pushed up. Damn, a whole group of Porsches just rolled in.
We bought a car that looked like that. So the clutch was out. Turbo. Like a 924.
To the turbo now. What if
There's
there's
a
a
turbo.
Carrera GT, 924 Carrera GT here? That'd be impressive to see.
No, because technically that they say calls it.
Dang, check out this 1 Series with a big snail.
Holy.
Right?
With a LS?
That's This thing must be stupid scary to drive. What a crazy build. This one's crazy. Well, that about wraps it up for South OC Cars and Coffee. Got you guys a lot of roll-ins, a couple of the exotics, and we took Sonic to the meet today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I think we have like a photo shoot that's about to be happening at 1 o'clock or something like that. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm low-key a little tired, so I might just go home and finish editing. Yeah, previous video from this one is going to be the Meisterworks one. If you haven't watched that yet, watch the Meisterworks video. That is such a dope video. Great facility and just nothing but hilarious moments all over that video. So if you haven't watched that yet, watch that. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, click that notification bell, and yeah, comment down below if you guys would like to see certain cars or certain events, if you're in the SoCal area, of course, or yeah, just any feedback. I'll take the feedback, baby. But yes, all the love is much appreciated. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a great day. You guys stay blessed. You already know. Let's get it.